This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reference a cell in another sheet. You will often need to pull information from various places in your spreadsheet. To reference a cell like A1 from sheet 2, you simply type an equals sign, then the sheet name, an exclamation mark, and finally the cell reference. For example, use equals sheet 2, A1 to link to cell A1 on sheet 2. This creates a direct connection, keeping your data consistent across your workbook. When your sheet name includes spaces, like sales data, you need to enclose the entire sheet name in single quotation marks. So, if you want to reference cell B5 from a sheet name sales data, your formula would look like equals sales data. B5. This simple addition ensures your formula works correctly, even with complex sheet names. Remember to always include those single quotes around the sheet name when spaces are present. Understanding absolute versus relative references is crucial for efficient data management. A relative reference like sheet 2, A1, changes when you copy the formula to another cell. However, an absolute reference such as sheet 2, $1 locks the column and row in place using dollar signs. This means if you copy it, the reference will always point back to that specific cell, saving you time and preventing errors in larger data sets. Common errors include #ref. If the reference sheet or cell no longer exists, or hash name, if the sheet name is misspelled. To avoid these, double-check your sheet names and cell addresses carefully. Always use descriptive, yet short, sheet names for clarity. Regularly verify your links, especially after reorganizing your workbook, ensuring all your data connections remain robust and accurate for reliable analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.